Your kitchen storage is probably a disaster. Mismatched containers, missing lids, mystery leftovers you're afraid opening. Revolutionize kitchen organization with this premium food storage set. Available in 24, 48, or 50-piece sets with complete matching containers and lids. No more desperate lid treasure hunts. High-quality BPA-free materials keep food safe from harmful chemicals. Leak-proof design prevents spills in your bag. They're perfectly stackable, maximizing fridge and pantry space instead of containers scattered everywhere. Microwave safe for convenient reheating, dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup. Each set includes free labels and kitchen storage markers so you remember contents and storage dates, eliminating confusing mystery meals. Perfect for efficient meal prep, storing leftovers, packing lunches, organizing pantry staples, or keeping fridges neat. If you value organization, food freshness, and clutter-free kitchens, this set is absolutely essential. Check the link in the description and comments.